As a coach, it's my job to give you tools that are going to be effective for you. However, there does come a point where, how can I put this? You probably need a stronger dose.
At the end of the day, so good. Yeah, I'm waking up to you.
What is up, everybody? JC here with Stickk, and today I wanted to go over one of my absolute favorite tools for behavioral change. If anybody's new to the channel and if anybody's new to what Stickk is, Stickk, rituals for sustainable energy, sync, synchronicity. Click that notification bell, subscribe if you like this content, if you have any questions, and if you're looking for coaching, hit me up on Stickk on Instagram or Stickk.com. So today I wanted to go over a really cool app that I use a lot. Now, as a coach, it's my job to give you tools that are going to be effective for you. However, there does come a point where, how can I put this? You probably need a stronger dose, right? Everybody has things that they want to do, and they get to a point where maybe the crack of the whip isn't enough, so we get to create some at stakeness. So this app that I'm going to show you today is called Stickk. Now, Stickk is an app that was created by behavioral psychologists, and it's a place where you declare something you're going to stick to. So as you can see here, here's my doc. I'm going to show you some of my goals. Here's some completed ones. So I declared to rise for 1 week. And if you can see, I've been doing this for a while. YouTube cover songs was my first one. I was 33% successful. Yeah, I lost some money to that one, and my buddy Cameron was holding me to it, so that didn't work out very well. But let me show you some that have worked out tremendously. So here's a couple of risers that I've been working with who have completed really amazing declarations. So income generation, grow my business, edit for 1 hour a day. Oh, my boy Mario, exercise regularly, 100% on that. Lumosity, 97%. YouTube batch shoot, do the one thing. Very cool. Let's see. Where is my boy? David. Aha. My boy David here decided that he was going to run his marathon in under 2 hours and 50 minutes. So he set up a stake for $250 to a charity that he did not like. Guess what his time ended up being? Aha. 246. So either pay $250 or beat your time, and this guy figured it out. Now, it's really easy to set it up, so let's create one right now just for fun. As you can see here, it shows you ones you can do: lose weight, quit smoking, exercise regularly, maintain weight, race, exercise regularly. I'm gonna actually do this one. Okay, number of days per week you're committed to exercise. I'm gonna put 5 because I do go to the gym 5 days a week. Length of my commitment, I'm gonna say 4 weeks, so that's a solid month. So this commitment starts, let's put it to Monday, because I like to start things on Mondays. And my reporting days will be Mondays. So I'm going to just select an anti-charity. I'm not going to show you exactly what I'm going to pick, because that would defeat the purpose, and I don't feel like telling you. Haha, stakes amount. So what would I lose if I don't stick to this? So let's put $100. $100 every week. If I don't make it to the gym, I lose $100 to a charity that I don't like. Not doing that, not over my dead body. Yes, I have read all this stuff. And now that I've created this commitment, who will be my referee? I'll find a referee. I'm probably going to get Sean. Okay, so you must know your referee's email. So make sure that you add either me or your other accountability coach, or what I really would invite you to do is get somebody to sign up. Tell somebody what you're up to. Don't tell everybody, but just tell like 1 or 2 people. Okay, you can also invite supporters. So if you'd like to have more support, you can let people know. The thing that you really want to be aware of is when your check-in dates are, and to make sure if you're doing weekly, that you're clear that you're doing weekly. If you're doing daily, then daily. Now, don't be that person that declares something and they do check-ins daily, and then they forget to do it one day on their off day, and next thing you know, you've lost money and you're pissed off. So definitely use this app. By far, one of my favorite tools to use, and in terms of what gets people to change their behavior, how we can rise up to our better selves, this is definitely a really fine tool. So right now, as you can see, I get to exercise regularly. With all that being said, again, if you like my content, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Check the notifications so you can get that little bell. So you can get more tips, tricks, ideas on how to rise, sync. Remember, everybody wakes up, but not everybody rises. JC out. Boom.
At the end of the day, so